everyone. Happy Thursday. It's Miss Mimi again, and I hope you all enjoyed Mary's read aloud about the book Green Eggs and Ham. And since today is Green Eggs and Ham Day, we're going to be talking about a special science experiment using green plastic eggs, okay? And we're going to be making a fizzy experiment. We're going to be talking about the word reaction. What does it mean to react to something? Well, if I drop this book, you get startled and you hear a noise. I reacted to the book dropping. If I see the sun shining, I cover my eyes because the sun is shining. I'm reacting to the sunshine. If it's raining, we get wet without an umbrella. So our reaction is getting wet. So we're going to talk today about a special reaction called a chemical reaction. And I'm going to show you the word chemical reaction, okay? And our chemicals are, we're going to be using white vinegar, which is a liquid. We're going to be talking about baking soda, which is a solid. And our chemical reaction, I want you to observe, and it's going to be carbon dioxide, a gas. So we're talking about solids, liquids, and gases today. And this is all a special little experiment. It's so easy because you could do it at home with mom. Now you do not need a green egg. You may use a pink Easter egg, especially at this time of year. We all have plastic eggs in our homes. So you may have a pink one, a yellow one, any one you want. So we're going to start with the experiment. I'm going to put the baking soda over here for now because I have it in a dish. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tablespoon of baking soda and I'm going to put it in each plastic cup. 1, 2, shake it up a little, make it even, and 3. So you know what? I might want to put a little bit more. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons. 1, 2, in each cup, 2 tablespoons. 3. Now, since vinegar has acid in it, we're going to put a drop of vinegar and we're going to put a drop of green food coloring because we're talking about green eggs and ham today. So we're basically using the color green. Green eggs, green food coloring. So can you guess what's going to happen when we mix the solid of the baking soda, the liquid of the vinegar, and we also have liquid in our food coloring? And to be a little bit fun or exciting, in one egg we might even put a little bit of green glitter and see if it makes a difference. So let's try. Are you ready? I know I am, and I'm excited about this experiment. So first I'm going to take my green food coloring, take the cover off, and be very easy with it. We're just going to put 2 drops, 2 drops, 2 drops. Now cover it up. Make sure you cover it because it could be messy. Now we're going to take our acid, the vinegar. And vinegar is a liquid. But because of the acidity in it, it's going to cause something to happen. And let's see what happens. Let's try it. Whoa, boys and girls, our eggs are literally exploding. Let's mix it up a little bit to get more green in here. Whoa, whoa. Now, I'm going to put some glitter in this one. As I put the vinegar, I'm going to pour some glitter. Whoa, is that beautiful? Did you see it? How shiny? I'm going to add more vinegar. Whoa! Exploding eggs! Exploding eggs! How fun is that? That's fantastic. Do you like exploding eggs? I know I do. And Miss Mary, do you like exploding eggs?
Yes, I do.
Miss Mary is watching and she's observing our exploding eggs. And the more vinegar we add, the more it explodes. Now remember, you do this with Mom. You could stir it up because sometimes the baking soda stays on the bottom of the cups. So when we mix a base, which is our baking soda, our vinegar is the liquid, we mix them together, it forms carbon monoxide, which is a gas. Carbon dioxide. Sorry, everybody. It's carbon dioxide, okay? So remember, our chemical reaction formed a gas, which is carbon dioxide. Carbon monoxide is sometimes in homes, and we have carbon monoxide detectors. So that's different than carbon dioxide, okay? And we had the liquid, which was the vinegar, and the solid, which is the baking soda. So I hope everybody tries this at home because it's a really fun experiment and it's so easy. Moms usually have baking soda in the house. They usually have white vinegar in the house, and they usually have food coloring. Now you could use pink food coloring, yellow food coloring, all sorts of food coloring. But as I say, today was green eggs and ham day, so we used green. Now, this experiment has gotten me kind of hungry. Are you hungry? Well, I know I feel like having green eggs, like in the book Green Eggs and Ham. Miss Mary, are you a little hungry?
Yes, I'm hungry.
So what we're going to do is, I have my grill. I'm going to show you that we're going to make green eggs. I'm going to crack my egg in my green dish, naturally. And I'm going to crack another egg in my dish. Whoops, I got a shell in. Don't get the shells in. And I'm going to stir it up. Here we go. We're going to stir it up, boys and girls. Now, Miss Mary and I want to try. I never had green eggs in ham. But today we're not going to do the ham. We're just going to do the green eggs. And remember in the book, he didn't want to try green eggs. He says, "Ooh, I don't like them, I don't like them." And then after he tried them, he loved them. And Sam I Am kept saying, "Do you want to eat them? Do you want to eat them in a boat? Do you want to eat them with a goat? In a house with a mouse?" And he kept saying, "No, no, 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 no." So we're going to add a little bit of butter to our grill. And I put this on my grill because I'm going to try to keep the eggs in this area. So I'm going to add a little bit of butter. Now what's going to happen? It's going to, boys and girls, it's going to melt. So I'm going to swirl my butter around. Swirl it, swirl it, swirl it. Here we go, swirling. Why am I putting butter here? Because we don't want it to stick to the grill or go all over the grill. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take the eggs, pour them in the circle. And I hope the circle keeps the eggs in. And I'm going to raise up my pan. Miss Mary, can you go get me a spatula, please? Because as you see, boys and girls, what's happening is, and everyone, is my silver circle didn't really keep the eggs in. The eggs are seeping through the bottom. So we want to get a spatula to try to hold the eggs in. Or to flip the eggs, I should say. We're making a pile of eggs. Here we go. And now, notice the eggs are liquid, boys and girls. Liquid. Now, in order to magic touch the green, to make it green. Now, don't go, ooh, green, but we use this when we eat cupcakes and we bake and Mom bakes. We're just going to put a dash of green. A dash. Just a dash, enough to give it the green coloring. Miss Mary's coming over with the spatula. Thank you, Miss Mary.
You're welcome.
And I'm going to remove the circle. Ooh, look, boys and girls, look at the pretty color. It's mixing with the yellow. What a beautiful combination. We're mixing the green coloring. Ooh, green eggs. That is a beauty. Now I'm mixing it, chopping it, turning it. Do you like this color, boys and girls? And everyone out there, moms, dads, grandma, grandpas, we're mixing the eggs up. Now remember, we do not do this without moms or dads or an adult supervising you. Okay, they look like they're done. Some people like their eggs wet, some people like them dry, but I kind of like them in between. So I'm going to shut off my grill for safety, and I'm going to, Miss Mary, would you like to come over here and stand there with me? What we're going to do is, I'm going to make Miss Mary taste it because we never had green eggs and ham in our house either. This is a first for us too. So here, Miss Mary, if you want to taste it, there's a fork here. You can stay here, Miss Mary. Is Miss Mary on the screen? And I'm going to, Mary, you want to sit in the chair? Hey, Miss, I was going to pull it down. Hey, Mr. John. And here's John. And I thought maybe John would want to come and taste the green eggs. John, come. This is John, my son, and I'm going to give him some green eggs and see if he likes them. Because I never made them in all the years that we have been here. I have never made green eggs. John, would you like to take a bite?
Sure.
Miss Mary, how are they?
They are delicious.
Mr. John, can you take? Did you like them?
More?
Sure.
Thank you.
Oh, very good. And remember, boys and girls, when someone gives you something, you always say thank you. Enjoy, John. And I'm going to give the rest to Miss Mary.
Delicious.
Oh, they're delicious. You see, boys and girls, how easy it is and how much fun it is to make something different. Now remember, when we first say green eggs, we go, ooh, I don't want green eggs. I know I say, oh, I don't like green eggs. But when you taste it and you try it, they are good. So remember, in life, when you're in the classroom or if you're playing soccer and you say, this is too hard for me, I can't do it. Don't give up. Keep on trying. If someone tells you, let's read this book together, and you say, oh, these words are too hard for me. Don't think that way. Try your best. Remember, I always say when I taught, try your best. That's all you could do. In life, I try my best. My family tries their best. Even my doggie tries her best. She's getting old and she's had difficulty walking, but we try our best. So remember, I want you to try your best because I love you all. I want you to do your best. That's all you could do. Keep on trying. Remember, stay tuned. Next week, we're going to do other exciting experiments with One Fish, Two Fish. We'll do experiments with that. And also, Miss Mary's going to be reading books about a leprechaun. Pete the Cat, Miss Mary? So Miss Mary's going to be reading you Pete the Cat next week. So remember, enjoy the day. Make the best you can of this day. And enjoy this book. Bye, boys and girls. Thank you. Bye, everyone. And you take care.